Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Morning, morning.
Can I get hallelujah?
Hallelujah.
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 We're here to celebrate the life of Mr. Lava. Lava was a loving person.
Yo, the bishop
Lava was kind, nice. Lava was the best man in the community. Lava was loved by many. Lava was a good boy.
Good morning again, church. Can
Good
we please
morning.
get the offering? We have the bathroom where we really want to fix.
My youth, when you come here, you can't brush your thinking, man. Cocky man, my God, man. African time. Brother, I'm not telling like you're stinking, man. That be nice, brother, in my church. But make it dead get up.
Offering.
I'm getting my chain.
You're back with change. You think that's how come? Hey man, watch it man. We are going on, Judah. Help yourself with that, father.
Alright. And as we're about to close off this channel, sir. Brother, do. Brother, do. No ball, come here one day with the ball. What are you and Duppy? Which one uglier?
But he have me partner money.
Jesus Christ, my youth. It is supposed to dead. Supposed to dead, right? After my casting a bulletproof, a gunshot kill me now. You know, kill me again.
Yeah.